Overhead mobility, whether it be for handstands or Olympic lifting or anything like that, can be a real bugger to train. It can feel like you're not really getting anywhere and it's just awkward and there doesn't seem to be any progress. The key to building good overhead mobility is in improving your shoulders' active range of motion. So this little drill is mainly used for hand balancers in my experience, but I have seen it used in Olympic lifting and things like that in the past. It really focuses on building the strength in the traps and at the same time improving the endurance and strength in that active range above your head. So you're going to train it lying on the floor, face down, forehead resting on the floor, so don't be putting any pressure through the forehead. Keep your lower back neutral, don't be trying to take any of the movement in your lumbar spine. And you're going to have a stick held out in front of you, about shoulder width apart. Depending on your flexibility, you might have to begin with a wider hand grip and move it in. Hold the stick with an overhand grip, so knuckles to the roof. And then you're going to pulse the stick off the floor as high as you can, 10 times. Then you're going to have an underhand grip, which for some people again, might need to be wider. And you're going to do the same. You're going to keep your arm nice and straight, use the traps, and use that whole shoulder girdle to lift up off the floor, pulse it 10 times, 3 sets. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and you should notice an improvement in your overhead mobility as your shoulder gets stronger.